Today's the 2019 Vancouver Auto Show. Let's go check it out.
So cool.
So we just checked out all the luxury cars upstairs, and now we're going to check out the main hall, which has the more known brand names that we can actually go inside and try the cars now. Hope you enjoyed that tour of the Vancouver Auto Show. Thanks for watching all the cosplay videos. I'll be at WonderCon next week. Make sure to say hi, hit that like button, and consider subscribing for more cosplay content and camera reviews. And I'll see you guys in the next one.